It was a maiden investiture and public lecture organized by the Association of Online Corporate Editors to commemorate its third-year anniversary. The occasion, which was held at Nigeria's capital city, Abuja, was the first of its kind in recent times by corporate online media gatekeepers. Some stakeholders at the event described the theme of the lecture, Strengthening Corporate Online Media for National Development, as being apt as the nation tries to tackle issues of misinformation and fake news.
We are also conscious of the increasing challenges of misinformation and disinformation. And we remain committed to partnering with credible online media organizations like the ACOE to deepen digital ethics and strengthen editorial standards across sectors.
The media can ensure ethical, accurate reporting that counters fake news, which has fueled insecurity in recent years. We need strengthening of corporate online media, which is not just optional, it is essential for national development and security.
Others spoke on the importance of strategic partnership, training and retraining to consolidate the group's position on the online media space.
One of the things I love about the association is that they are not purveyors of fake news. All the news items coming out from this association are nothing but the truth and the facts.
In case there is need to clarify issues with the scheme, our doors are wide open.
When we promote truth online, we reinforce trust on offline. When we uphold national values in our reporting, we help build a country that reflects the best of who we are.
It was the turn of the man of the moment, Chairman, Association of Corporate Online Editors, Sola Akingboye, to enlighten the August gathering on what the association stands for.
As online editors and digital communication professionals, we play a vital role in shaping public understanding, influencing institutions, and supporting socio-economic growth. Corporate online media is a bridge that connects citizens to organizations and government, enabling transparency, accountability, and informed decision-making.
High point of the occasion was the presentation of an award to the military on behalf of the soldiers that paid the supreme price to ensure that the country is safe, as well as awards of excellence to deserving beneficiaries from government agencies, civil society organizations, among others. CNN News.